Did you know that the tiny honeybee, a creature no bigger than a paperclip, is responsible for 1 out of every 3 bites of food we eat? Dive into the incredible buzzing world of honeybees and discover how these tiny marvels shape our planet in ways you never imagined. Welcome to the fascinating world of honeybees, nature's tiny engineers, master communicators, and unsung heroes of our ecosystem. In this video, we're taking you inside the hive to uncover the secrets of their incredible lives. From their complex social structures to their mind-blowing pollination powers, honeybees are far more than just producers of golden honey. They're vital to our survival, and their story is one of teamwork, precision, and resilience. So grab a seat and get ready to be amazed by the buzzing wonders of the honeybee. You'll never look at these little insects the same way again. Let's zoom in on the ultimate multitaskers of the hive, the worker bees. These female powerhouses make up the majority of the colony, and their lives are a whirlwind of constant activity. Born from the same eggs as queens, worker bees are the backbone of the hive, taking on every job imaginable to keep their community thriving. Their life begins as a tiny egg, but within days, they hatch into larvae and are fed a special diet of royal jelly and pollen. After pupating, they emerge as adult bees and immediately get to work. But here's the fascinating part. Their roles change as they age. For the first few weeks, they're nurse bees, tending to the queen and caring for the brood. Then they transition to hive maintenance, cleaning, building honeycomb, and even guarding the hive from intruders. But their most iconic role comes later in life, as foragers. These brave bees venture out into the world, collecting nectar, pollen, and water, often traveling miles in a single day. Their lives are short, just 4 to 6 weeks during peak season, but every moment is spent in service to the hive. From nursemaids to builders to adventurers, worker bees are the unsung heroes of the colony, proving that even the smallest creatures can have the biggest impact. Truly, they're the ultimate team players. Meet the queen bee, the heart, soul, and superstar of the hive. But don't let the title fool you. Her role is far more than just royal decoration. The queen is the mother of every single bee in the colony, and her sole purpose is to ensure the hive's survival by laying up to 2,000 eggs a day during peak season. That's more than her own body weight in eggs. Talk about a supermom. But how does a bee become queen? It's not by birthright, it's all about diet and destiny. Every queen starts as a regular female larva, just like the worker bees. But here's the twist. She's chosen by the worker bees and fed an exclusive diet of royal jelly, a nutrient-rich secretion that triggers her development into a queen. Honeybees are master pollinators, and their work is essential for the reproduction of countless plants. As they flit from flower to flower collecting nectar and pollen, they transfer pollen grains, enabling plants to produce fruits, seeds, and new plants. In fact, it's estimated that 1/3 of the food we consume relies on pollination, and honeybees are responsible for a huge chunk of that. From apples and almonds to blueberries and cucumbers, many of your favorite foods depend on these tiny workers. Beyond agriculture, honeybees support the health of natural ecosystems. By pollinating wild plants, they help maintain diverse habitats for other wildlife. Forests, meadows, and even your backyard garden thrive because of their tireless work. Without honeybees, many plant species would struggle to reproduce, leading to a domino effect that could disrupt entire ecosystems. The value of honeybees to agriculture is staggering. Globally, their pollination services are worth billions of dollars annually. Farmers often rely on managed honeybee colonies to pollinate crops, ensuring higher yields and better quality produce. Without them, the cost of food would skyrocket and many crops would become scarce. Of course, we can't forget the sweet stuff, honey. But honeybees give us more than just this golden nectar. They also produce beeswax, propolis, and royal jelly, which are used in everything from cosmetics to medicine. Unfortunately, honeybees face serious threats like habitat loss, pesticides, climate change, and diseases. Their decline is a red flag for the health of our planet. Protecting honeybees isn't just about saving a species, it's about preserving the delicate balance of our ecosystems and securing our food supply. In short, honeybees are irreplaceable. They're not just making honey, they're keeping our world alive and thriving. So the next time you see a honeybee buzzing by, remember, this tiny creature is doing some of the biggest work on Earth. And there you have it, the incredible world of honeybees. where every buzz, every flight, and every drop of honey tells a story of teamwork, resilience, and life-sustaining power. These tiny creatures are the unsung heroes of our planet, and their survival is deeply intertwined with ours. But here's the thing. Honeybees need our help. From planting bee-friendly flowers to supporting local beekeepers and reducing pesticide use, there are so many ways we can make a difference. Even small actions can have a big impact on their future and ours. So, what will you do to help the honeybees? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's start a conversation about protecting these amazing pollinators. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories about the wonders of nature. Together, we can ensure that the buzz of honeybees continues to fill our world for generations to come. Thanks for watching, and remember, every flower counts.